If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Paperform, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Login. Access your Paperform account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in your dashboard. This area contains all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Review the list of pending transfers and find the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Take note of any details that may help you confirm it is the correct one. Step 4. Select the transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer, usually labeled as cancel or abort. Click this option and confirm your decision when prompted to finalize the cancellation. Following these steps will help you successfully cancel a pending transfer on Paperform. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Paperform support for assistance.